Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to change or set the cover image, also called thumbnail, on a YouTube video. Let's get started by opening our browser. Go to youtube.com. Go to picture icon. Click on YouTube Studio. So we are going to change this thumbnail. Go to Content to select a video to change or set thumbnail on. Go to Details. Click Upload Thumbnail. Here we first verify phone number if it is the first time changing thumbnail. Select your country and enter your phone number. Enter code that they sent you on your phone, then submit. Now click Upload Thumbnail and choose the new cover image from your PC. Then hit Save. Let's see if it worked. It worked. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, share, and subscribe for more useful tutorials.